Hey guys, it's Alex Garza. Welcome back to the EcoTools YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my hair, makeup, and outfit look for a holiday party. You guys are going to get ready with me. Big shout out to EcoTools for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. As you guys know, I've been their brand ambassador for the past year. I love working with them. I feel like they are so much more than just a makeup brush brand. To me, they inspire women to feel their best, to be confident, and to make the world a more beautiful place, which is something I love supporting and I love being a part of. Today I'm going to be using some of the newest brush kits from EcoTools. I always love seeing what they come out with this time of year. Everything is always so festive and beautiful, and I love all the packaging. All of these kits are perfect for simplifying your beauty routine, but they also make great stocking stuffers or gift ideas as well. So if you guys want to get ready with me, go ahead and keep on watching. So to get started on the face, I'm going to use a lot of brushes
from the Radiant Vanity Beauty Kit today.
I'm going to start off with the classic foundation for my primer. So I'm just applying this primer through my T-zone to help with any shininess and make my pores look really smooth and airbrushed. Now that my skin is prepped and ready for a foundation, I'm gonna apply a medium coverage liquid foundation using my large face blender sponge, you guys. This is just like the traditional one, but it's in this really pretty pink color for the holidays, and it's so nice. It is literally the best blender sponge for liquid foundation or any kind of like liquid products, but I also use it a lot for powder, like for baking, it's really good too. I'm applying some concealer using my classic concealer brush. This is such a great kit because it really has everything you would need for a full face. So if you just want to stock up on a whole new brush kit and get everything new, I love all the pink packaging. It's so pretty. I'm gonna blend it in with the blender. Now that concealer is done, I'm gonna go into my baking powder, apply that under my eyes, and I'm gonna let it sit while we do our shadow. That way if we have any fallout, we can just brush it away after and it won't mess up the foundation and concealer that we just did. My dress is really pretty and like silvery and metallic, so I want to go for something similar on the eye, more of a cool tone smoky eye. So I'm going to start by using the Defined Crease Brush and kind of like a mauve-y matte shade and apply this through my crease, and I'm going to bring it up towards my brow. To do some detail work on the eye, I'm going to use a couple of the dual-ended brushes from the Romantic by Nature kit. Another great kit. This one's a little bit more simple. You get a couple eye brushes, a couple face brushes. So I'm going to go in with a couple of these and a little bit of a darker shadow, the matte one, to really bump up the crease and the outer V. Start by taking the smudge brush and that matte brown, working it on that outer corner. And then I'll take the airbrush with the same color and just start to smudge that out and work it up. Next up, I'm going to go in with the detail brush. This is really great for covering up spots or using on your lips, anywhere where you really need to go into like small detail work. I'm actually going to use this for a mixture of these two shimmers right on that front half of my eyelid, and I want to be very precise with it so the detail brush is perfect. The shadow is finished. I'm going to quickly add some winged liner and mascara, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to use my sheer powder brush and a light coverage face powder and just do a quick dusting all over the face. Today I'm going to be contouring and highlighting using powders, so I always think it's nice to kind of lay down a base of powder first. That way everything blends out a lot easier. And you can use this brush to bake away to fling away any of that baking powder. Next, I want to bronze my skin, contour a little bit, so I'm going to use this really cute little contour buki. I love kabuki brushes. They're great for travel, but they're also really great buffing brushes for things like bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and dip this into my medium bronzer. Carve out my cheekbones, a little on the forehead, and the jawline. Now that our skin is all bronzed and glowy, I love to add in a little blush. I want to do something kind of more mauve and bronzy so it doesn't compete too much with the eyes. I'm going in with my full blush brush and a mauvey matte blush right on the apples of my cheeks. And to finish off the face, I'm going to go in with a champagne highlighter and the controlled setting brush and just place that right on the top of the cheekbones, down the nose, and a little bit on the center of the forehead. So I just cleaned off that little detail brush that we used earlier, and I'm going to use it to blend my lipstick with my liner. Here is the makeup look complete. I really love all the brushes in the Radiant Vanity Beauty Kit because, like I said, it's everything you need for a full face. You guys can go ahead and pick up that kit at Ulta this year. I will have links down below to all the brush sets and everything so you guys know all the details. But EcoTools has really come out with some great sets for the holiday season this year that would be great to add to your wish list or to gift to someone else. They're all limited edition, so you definitely want to pick them up soon. My favorites are the Romantic by Nature kit, the Cozy Glow Beauty Kit, the Warm Winter Glow Kit, and the Winter Wonder Travel Kit. Hair, makeup, and outfit is complete. I wanted to do something pretty dressy because in my normal life, like day to day, I dress super casual. So I found this dress online. I think it's perfect for a holiday party, even like New Year's Eve or something. It's so festive and fun. I paired it with some heels. So if you guys had fun getting ready with me, please give this video a thumbs up. Big shout out to EcoTools for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. If you guys love like festive holiday videos, be sure to check out my channel. I have tons of them over there, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.